In this video, I'll show you how to easily view Wi-Fi passwords on an iPhone running iOS 18. Be sure to watch until the end to avoid any mistakes. Let's get started. First, head over to the Settings app. At the top, you should see an option labeled Wi-Fi. It may be labeled differently on your device. Tap on that option. Here at the top, you'll see the network you're currently connected to. If you want to find the password for this network, tap the I button on the right side. On the next screen, you'll see the password field, which is currently hidden. To reveal the password, tap on the dots next to it. Your device will scan your face for authentication, and then the password will be displayed. You can then tap to copy it to your clipboard. If you want to find the password for a network you are not currently connected to but have connected to before, go back to the Wi-Fi settings and tap Edit in the top right corner. This will show you all the networks you've connected to and the save data for each. To check the password for any network, tap the I button next to the network and then tap to reveal the password in the same way. And that's how you can easily view Wi-Fi passwords on your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up.